Guys, what's up? Alanna here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I DIY my own Bath & Body Works candles. So if you're like me, I love candles, like really love candles. I cannot survive without my candles, but I collect so many of these awesome jars that Bath & Body Works has, and sometimes I really want to reuse them. So I had an idea. I got about 2 pounds of soy wax. I have some fragrance. I chose Snickerdoodle, but you can choose whichever one you like. And of course a melting pot or some type of double boiler so we can melt down that candle wax. Your hot glue gun with some glue sticks, of course. Some candle wicks. And of course your emptied jar. Now if you do have a jar that still has some candle wax in it, all you need to do is just pop that baby into the freezer for about an hour, and most of the time you'll get it to come right out. Sometimes you may need to go in with a knife and just kind of break it up a little bit so it can come out into pieces, and you could even put that extra wax into a wax burner if you have one, or you can just toss it out. Once all that wax is gone, I'm just going to go ahead and peel off the label because this is no longer the scent that I'm going to have in this candle. And then I'm going to wash out this jar really well. So I'm taking about 4 cups of this soy wax, and I just have my double boiler on. I'm pouring these wax chips inside of the melting pot, and I'm going to go ahead and sit it in this boiling hot water so that it can go ahead and melt. And within a couple of moments, as I'm stirring, you guys will start to see that wax melt down into a liquid form, which is what we want. Give it a little stir. And you guys see it melting down there at the bottom, and that's great. You want to keep stirring it until everything is all melted. And looking like this. So once your wax looks like this, you want to go ahead and remove it from the heat for a little bit. Once it gets to about 134 degrees, you want to go ahead and add in your fragrance, and add in as much or as little as you like. I like to add a lot because I really like for my house to smell super good. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that in really well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my jar, and I'm going to go ahead and take that hot glue gun and glue down those wicks to the middle. The spacing really does not matter, but you just want to make sure that you put them into a triangle pattern. Here I just used a couple of skewers and taped them together to kind of keep those wicks from leaning over and just to keep them nice up and straight. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my liquid wax. Now ideally you would definitely want to stop like right there, but because I have more wax and I wasn't going to be using it for anything else, I was just like, you know what, this is about to be a really thick candle. So I poured it all in there. It's kind of like, when you eat cereal and you don't want to leave just a tiny bit of milk, so you kind of got to pour it all in there. So this is what we're working with, and this is what the candle looks like. The wax is still melted and you guys can see straight through the jar. You're going to sit and let that cool for a few hours. I think I let mine sit overnight, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take off these skewers and cut down my wicks. Now, of course, the top is a little uneven, which is normal, and it happens with homemade candles You can use a hot hair dryer to go ahead and smooth that out if you want, but it's all gonna melt anyway. So I just went ahead and lit my candle, and you guys, I'm so happy with the results. I'm gonna be refilling all these candle jars. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to see more DIYs like this. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and until my next video, I love you. Bye.